Under the starry sky, the sun is starting to show up. Feel the beauty of natural charm. The wind blows slowly, your warm sun slips the leaf. The elongated stream of water is shaped like the tail of the Hanuman monkey. Flows quietly into the river. With the trees that are grown to breathe freshness, panorama of towering waterfalls, the rush of a waterfall that falls from a cliff resembling rainfall. The beautiful pine forest area is soothing. The coffee shop is a place to rest and chat, with colorful hammock painted in beauty based on fertility, bound by the cool natural atmosphere.